How can you allow the camera permission to your Zoom application in your mobile phone? So hey guys, welcome back to the channel again. In this video, I will show you that how can you allow the camera permission in your application information for Zoom application so that you can use your camera or you can use your video on Zoom and you can allow yourself to be viewed on the Zoom application. This is the video. Firstly, we just have to swipe up like this and find Zoom application here on the menu. That is my application manager, or that is my application menu. Scroll to the down. On the down I will find a Zoom application here. You just have to hold it for 3 seconds like this and three options will be displayed to you. The first one is select, second one is app info, and the third one is uninstall. You have to click simply on the between option called app information here for getting all the information of your application, or to allow any type of permission you have to click on the app info. Whenever you will click it, there is a lot of option. First one is open, second one is force stop, the third one is uninstall. There are also storage application or storage usage application here. What we have to do, click on the permission access on the second like this. Here you will see all the permissions for your this Zoom app here. What I have to do, click on the camera and allow the setting if this is denied inside your mobile phone in app manager. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you. If you have any type of doubt, question or confusion, just drop that into the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching, keep loving.